Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna do glow makeup tutorial like that. But before starting the video, I want to show you some new makeup that my uncle bought for me. I'm not sponsored by Bar Minerals, but it's this Moonlight Magic foundation with the brush, and the packaging is like that. I only used it one time, and it's a natural formula. Okay, so it's like that. The next thing is this Twilight Radiance, and okay, I open it. It's an highlighter trio palette like that. And you have 3 highlighters and are creamy highlighters. I never use them, so I don't know the formula, but I think they are really creamy. So if you want to see my next video with this new makeup, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment or a like. But now let's get started with this new glow makeup tutorial. Okay, so if I'm going to look right there, it's because I have my mirror. So I'm going to put my hair back. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to put on my face is primer. Because if you have dry skin, if you have oily skin, every type of skin, you need to put primer on your face, always. So it's this one from Smashbox. Not a lot. Okay, the next step is foundation. So I'm going to use this Your Skin foundation in the shade, I don't know what, 015, and I'm gonna make sure that I'm going to shake it well. I don't know, I always shake my foundation with my beauty blender. Okay, it's this one, it's pink. Okay, I'm sorry, but I had problems, but okay. So I'm going to put like 1, 2, 3 pumps, not a lot. Okay. The next step is concealer. So I use this concealer from it's like it's matching, so I bought this with my money, so. And the shade is 020. Yeah, it's darker than my foundation, but it's okay. I'm going to put on my bags. Not a lot on my nose. On my chin. And forehead. So before I blend my chin, my nose, and then I take my powder, and it's this one from, it's the Kat Von D translucent powder. It's like that. So I blend first my bags. And then immediately I take some powder and I put.
Then I put on my chin and everywhere.
So now it's time for my eyebrows with the Benefit Cabral, and the shade is 3. Okay, I'm back. I did my eyebrows out of camera because they take a lot of time. But if you want a video where I do my eyebrows, my daily eyebrows, and my more glowy or special. Okay, eyebrows. Leave a comment below, and I'm going to do a video only for my eyebrows. Contouring. I only use some bronzer to be more natural because I'm white. I use this Hula bronzer. It's really dark for me. So I do like a tree, like one, and then I do like that. So I'm going to put some bronzer on my neck too. You need to blend well your bronzer, because if you do like a tree but you do like one, two, three like that, and it's really brown, it's not cool, it's not nice, it's only cakey. Now it's time for my eyes. I'm going to use this Too Faced chocolate bombs. Yeah, the color is pink. Okay, I'm in love with it. First, I'm going to use this color and almond truffle on my lid, right here.
And now the next eye.
Next, I take this color, molasses cheap. I don't know what to say. So I take this one.
It's be difficult, but you can do it. Okay.
So now that your eyes are like that, take another brush like that. It's really thin, and I take this really brown color right here, Bordeaux. This is the best part, guys, because I'm going to use this color, Totally Fetch, and I'm going to use my finger because I think it's better. So, like that. Okay. It's a really nice color. Then, when you put mascara or rímel, it's going to change everything. So now I'm going to use my blush with this kabuki brush. It's really soft, this brush, and it's my favorite. I'm going to use this blush right here. It's my favorite one. It's a really, I don't know, nice color. It's from Too Faced. The brush always. Okay. Ooh. So I just dab like that. I take off the excess, and yeah, I do like that. Okay, I can do it. Oh my god, too much. I do like that. Now one of the best part is one of my favorite part, highlighter. So it's this one. It's a highlighter from the Kylie Cosmetics website, and was really expensive, and for the customs too. But yeah, the shade is Strawberry Shortcake, and it's really awesome. So first, I'm going to put on my, I don't know where I put here. And then on my corner, corner. I love this color, is pink, and you can use this color on the nighttime and on morning time too. On my nose too. Ooh. Then with this brush I put on my cheeks. Like that. And here too. So yeah. Now for mascara. I don't use fake lashes, so I'm going to use this mascara from Benefit, and it's the Bad Girl Bang. Sorry, my face. I don't know if I'm the only one, but for my left eye, I use the left hand, and for my right eye, I use my right hand. I don't know. Okay, now it's time for my lips. So I use this MAC lip liner, edge to edge. And the lipstick is always from MAC. Oh my god. It's not this one, it's this one. It's a really nice color, and okay. So it's okay, it's everything. You only need your hair. I prefer my hair straight today because I like that. So I hope you enjoyed my glowy makeup. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and all social media are in the description below. And nothing. Bye guys!